All right, let's get into it. You know the feeling, right? You've got this project in your head, a perfect vision of what you want to build or fix, but you're missing that one critical piece, the right tool. Today, we're going to walk through the WESS lineup of cordless power tools to help you find that perfect match and bring your ideas to life. So I want you to think for a second. What is it for you? Is it finally getting that gallery wall of photos up? Or maybe it's that flat pack furniture that's been staring at you from the corner of the room. Or hey, maybe you're thinking bigger, like I'm gonna build a deck this summer. Whatever it is, keep that project in your mind as we go. Because here's the thing, it doesn't matter if it's a huge renovation or a tiny fix. The principle is exactly the same. The WESS cordless system is all about giving you the power and the flexibility to get it done. So let's start with the absolute essentials. Okay, first step, the cornerstone of any toolkit, the drill. I mean, it's the first thing you grab whether you're making a hole or driving a screw. But not all drills are the same. So let's figure out which one is the right one for you. So if you're looking for that solid, dependable, all-around tool for tasks around the house, this is your starting point, right here. The M12-3. It's the perfect sidekick for your everyday DIY, for light repairs, hobby projects, you name it. It's light, it's easy to use, and it's ready to go, literally right out of the box. Let's just peek at the numbers real quick. It's a 12-volt drill that spins up to 1,300 RPM. Plenty of speed for drilling into wood and steel. Now, it also delivers over 25,000 impacts per minute. Think of that as a tiny, super-fast hammer action that gives you an extra punch for tougher stuff like brick. But honestly, the best part is that this is a complete kit. You get 2 batteries, so one is always charging, the charger itself, and even a starter screw set. It's the whole shebang. Look, the M123 is fantastic for general purpose work. But let's be real, some jobs fight back a little harder. They demand more muscle, more runtime. So what happens when you need to level up? Well, you step up to the 20-volt brushless platform. On the left, there's our trusty 12-volt M12-3. And on the right, that's the WCE1. You can just see, it looks tougher, right? And that's because it's built around a totally different, more advanced motor and power system. And this is where that difference just pops off the page. We're jumping from 12 volts all the way to 20. The speed goes up by 500 RPM, but look at the torque, a whopping 70 Newton meters. That's the raw twisting force that lets you sink huge screws into hardwood without even breaking a sweat. Plus, you get that tough metal chuck that grips your bits way tighter. The secret ingredient here is the brushless motor. It's just more efficient, it runs cooler, and it puts out more power. Here's a quick pro tip on that. If you're a casual DIYer doing little jobs here and there, the M12-3 is a fantastic, affordable choice. But if you're using your tools a lot or for really tough jobs, investing in a brushless model like this WCE1 is going to pay off big time with a longer life and way better performance. All right, we've made the holes, we've driven the screws. Now it's time to cut, shape, and finish things off. And for that, you need a tool that has both raw power and fine-tuned control. And that tool is the WCA1 cordless angle grinder. I'm telling you, whether you're slicing off rusty bolts, cutting tile for a new backsplash, or grinding down a weld, this is the tool you're going to reach for. It's a real workhorse. Now, the game changer with this grinder is control. It's not just on and off. You get 3 different speed settings, so you can slow it way down for delicate polishing, use that mid-range for general grinding, or you can just crank it all the way up to 7,000 RPM for super fast, aggressive cutting. And yep, you guessed it, just like the pro-level drill, it's part of that 20-volt brushless family. This kit is awesome. It comes with 2 beefy 4.0 amp-hour batteries for a ton of runtime, plus the charger and all your safety gear, like the handle and the guard. It's a complete pro-grade setup. So far, we've been talking about tools that spin with a nice, consistent force. But some jobs need something a little more, well, violent. We're talking sheer brute force impact. This is where we go beyond just regular drilling and driving. See, an impact tool doesn't just rotate, it slams a tiny hammer forward as it turns, over and over, incredibly fast. It's designed to break loose whatever is stuck and tighten whatever needs to be rock solid. And this is the WCW1 brushless impact wrench. This is the heavy hitter of the lineup. Think changing tires, big construction projects, anytime you're dealing with huge, stubborn nuts and bolts that just laugh at a regular wrench. 500 Newton meters. Just let that sink in for a second. That is a massive amount of breakaway torque. That's the kind of power that takes a rusted-on lug nut off a car wheel in like 2 seconds. This is just pure, raw power that saves you so much time and frustration. And of course, it's a brushless 20-volt tool, built for pure power and endurance. It uses a standard half-inch drive, so all your existing impact sockets will fit. And the kit is fully loaded. 2 high-capacity batteries, charger, and even a socket and some grease to get you started on those heavy-duty jobs right out of the gate. But what if your problem isn't a stubborn bolt? What if it's a solid wall of concrete? Yeah, an impact drill can handle some masonry, but when you're talking about serious work and the hardest materials, you need a specialist. You need the WCR1 rotary hammer. This isn't just an impact drill, it's a completely different animal. It uses a piston to deliver this massive forward hammer punch that literally pulverizes concrete and brick while it rotates. This is the tool that makes drilling into a solid foundation feel like you're drilling into butter. So, from a simple 12-volt drill all the way to a beastly rotary hammer, we've seen a tool for pretty much any task you can think of. But what's the common thread here? What's the big idea? Well, let's talk about the WESS advantage. When we look under the hood with a diagram like this, you can really see the engineering that goes into these tools. And the heart and soul of the 20-volt lineup's performance is right there. That's the brushless motor. It's the key to getting more power, better efficiency, and a tool that's going to last a whole lot longer. So, why choose WESS? When you boil it all down, it's pretty simple. You get that cutting-edge brushless tech in the powerful 20V line. You get complete kits that are ready to go, not just a bare tool in a box. There's a clear path for everyone from the weekend DIYer to the heavy-duty pro. And it's all backed by a solid 12-month warranty on everything: the tool, the batteries, and the charger. We started this whole thing by asking what project was on your mind. Well, now you've seen the tools that can make it a reality. You've got the power to drill, to drive, to cut, and to build. So the only question left is, what are you going to create?